Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a trip down memory lane with a twist. The 2025 Citroën 2CV, classic Citroën, has brought back one of their most iconic models, keeping the retro charm alive while updating it for the modern age. Let's dive into the unique features, nostalgic design, and some surprising tech upgrades in this retro-inspired reboot. Starting with the design, you can see that Citroën has stayed true to the classic 2CV look. Just like the original, it's got that timeless rounded shape with a soft fabric convertible roof. Citroën wanted to make sure this car is instantly recognizable to anyone who loved the original 2CV from back in the day, but it still feels fresh and updated for 2025. Up front, we've got these modern LED headlights that mimic the classic round lip from the original, paired with Citroën signature chevron grille, and these details are where Citroën really nailed it. They've kept the charm of the original, but with those essential upgrades that make it feel current. The wheels are steel with small hub caps, just like the original, and you've got that iconic corrugated bodywork along the sides, which adds to the lightweight and practical design that made the 2CV so popular back in the day. Plus, it's available in a range of classic colors to match that retro vibe perfectly. Inside, Citroën went for a less is more approach. You'll find a minimalist dash, simple controls, and fabric seats that stay true to the original 2CV simplicity. But don't be fooled, there's still some modern tech here. They've integrated a small digital display for essential info, but it's cleverly hidden to keep that vintage feel. The steering wheel is simple and classic, and the shifter is on the dashboard just like the original. It's quirky, fun, and gives you a true retro driving experience. It may look simple, but driving this car is a unique experience that brings a smile to your face every time. Now let's talk performance. Citroën has kept the spirit of the 2CV's original slow and steady approach, so you're not looking at massive horsepower numbers. Here it's powered by a small electric motor which delivers around 70 horsepower. That's more than enough for city driving and short weekend trips, and it has a range of around 150 m on a full charge. This new electric setup isn't about speed, it's about efficiency, ease, and of course fun. The electric motor is quiet and smooth, and it really suits the relaxed, easygoing vibe of this car. It's perfect for city streets or leisurely country drives. One of the most impressive things about the original 2CV was its suspension, designed to handle rough, unpaved roads in the French countryside. The 2025 version has an upgraded version of this suspension, so you still get that iconic floating feel. It handles bumps with ease, making it incredibly comfortable even on rougher roads. For convenience, Citroën has also added some modern touches. You've got USB charging ports, Bluetooth connectivity, and even optional heated seats for those colder days. So while the 2CV classic stays true to its roots, it's ready for everyday use with a few modern comforts. Safety-wise, Citroën has also stepped up. You'll find essentials like traction control, anti-lock brakes, and a reinforced body frame for better crash protection. There are no high-tech driver assist features here, but it has what you need to feel safe on the road. So what's the verdict on the 2025 Citroën 2CV Classic? This car is all about capturing that nostalgic charm of the original 2CV while making it practical and eco-friendly for modern drivers. It's quirky, efficient, and honestly a lot of fun. It's not going to replace your high performance car, but as a second car, a city car, or just a unique way to cruise around, it's hard to beat. If you're a fan of retro cars or just want something unique and memorable, I definitely recommend checking out the 2025 Citroën 2 CV Classic, it's a car that makes every drive feel special. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next time.